Hello friends, I am Jairaj Rathod welcoming you in the session of Intercept Form. Before we go for the equation, let me remind you some information regarding intercepts. Consider x and y axis, and our equation of line L is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and it is like this. Okay, now we are interested the intersection of L with x-axis. Let's assume it's intersect at the distance of A on the x-axis from the origin. Then we can say A comma 0 is the intersecting point and A is your x-intercept. Similarly, if line is intersecting y-axis at the distance of B on the y-axis from the origin, then we can say B is your y-intercept and B comma 0 is your intersecting point. Okay, so if we have x-intercept and y-intercept, we can find out equation of line as x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. In example, we have additional information for getting the x-intercept and y-intercept. Okay, so read question carefully and get intercepts to get the equation of line. Okay, so let's go for the questions. In next question, we have to find equation of line as usual, which cut off intercept x-intercept is 2a cos theta and y-intercept is 2a cosec theta. So for our equation, our line L, x-intercept is 2a sec theta and y-intercept is 2a cosec theta, and here we should use the intercept form, which is x upon A plus y upon B is equal to 1, right? Okay, we just have to put the values which we have. Capital A, which is x-intercept, is 2a sec theta plus y upon 2a cosec theta is equal to 1. Now you can see we can take 2a as a LCM. Okay, and we know that 1 upon sec is actually cos theta. Similarly, 1 upon cosec theta is actually sin theta is equal to 2a. We take the LCM. Okay, so to get the final answer, we have to take 2a on the left hand side. So we can say x cos theta plus y sin theta minus 2a is equal to 0 is the required answer. Ta-da! Option, not A actually, option B is the right answer. Okay, please be careful when you select the option. Okay, the next easy peasy question is the equation of line which cut off intercept 3 units on the OX, or we can say x-axis. So we can say our line's x-intercept is 3 units and minus 2 on OY, or we can say y-intercept is minus 2. So by getting this data, we can easily use the intercept form to get the equation of line, right? So let's use it. X upon A plus y upon B is equal to 1. Put the values of A and B, so we'll get x upon 3 plus y upon minus 2 is equal to 1. Simplify this. Minus 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 6, or we can say x upon 3 minus y upon 2 is equal to 1 is the required equation of line. Ta-da! Our next question, the equation of straight line which is passing through 1 comma minus 2 cut off equal intercept from the axis. Okay, here it is given that our line cut off equal intercept. That means A is equal to B. So if we use the fourth form of equation of line, which is x upon A plus y upon b is equal to 1, if we apply a equal to b, then we will get x upon a plus y upon a is equal to 1, because b is equal to a, right? So let's simplify it. We will get x plus y is equal to a is the equation of line, but still we should find out a, and for that we are going to use the point. We know that our line is passing from 1 to, right? So x and y is equal to 1 and minus 2. Let's put this coordinate. It must be satisfied our equation. So instead of x we have to put 1, and instead of y we have to put minus 2 is equal to a, or we can say our a must be minus 1. Yay, we get our a. So we can say our equation of line is x plus y is equal to a, or we can say minus 1. So to get in form of option, minus 1 should be taken on the left side. So x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0 is the required equation of line. Ta-da! Option C is your answer. Our next question is quite similar with the previous one. In this question we have to find equation of straight line passing through the minus 3, 2 and cut intercept equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. It means our x coordinate, let's assume it's C, then y intercept B must be minus C. Okay, and it is but obvious we are going to use the intercept form of equation of line. X upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1, right? Okay, let's put the values of a and b. X upon c plus y upon minus c is equal to 1, or we can say x minus y is equal to c. Now we should find out c, and for that we are going to use the point. We know that line is passing from point minus 3, 2, so it must satisfy the equation of line. Let's put minus 3 instead of x and 2 instead of y. So here we will get c is equal to minus 5. Yippee! From this we can say our required equation of line is x minus y is equal to minus 5, or we can say x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Ta-da! Option A is the right answer. Let's move to the next interesting question. A line is passing from 3, 4. Cut off intercept from coordinates such that their sum is 45. This intercept would suggest that we should use the form of intercept form of equation of line, right? In which summation of x intercept and y intercept is equal to 14, right? So we can say b is equal to 14 minus a, right? Okay, now let's use the intercept form of equation of line. It is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1, and we know that b is equal to 14 minus a, right? So we can say x upon a plus y upon 14 minus a is equal to 1. Let's cross multiply to simplify this. But before we do that, we should find out a, right? Okay, and to find a we are going to use the point. Okay, we know that L is passing from point 3, 4, right? So let's replace our x by 3 and y by 4. So here we will get 3 upon a plus 4 upon 14 minus a is equal to 1. Now let's cross multiply So we will get 14 3s are 42 minus 3a plus 4a is equal to 14a minus a square, right? Or we can say a square plus 13a minus 42 is equal to 0. Sorry, minus 13 plus 42. Okay, now we have to make factors. A minus 6 and a minus 7 is equal to 0, right? Which suggests that we have two values of a equal to 6 and a equal to 7. Let's put this value of a in our equation of line. We know that equation of line is x upon a plus y upon 14 minus a is equal to 1, right? So for a equal to 6, we are going to get x upon 6 plus y upon 8 is equal to 1, and for a equal to 7, we are going to get another line x upon 7 plus y upon 7 is equal to 1. Let's cross multiply to get the final answer. We will get 4x plus 3y is equal to 24 and x plus y is equal to 7. Ta-da! These are the required equation of line, but we have to check in the options. And yes, 4x plus 3y is equal to 27 is in the option, so our correct option is option B. Now here we have very interesting question. Here we have to find equation of line which is passing from point minus 4 3. Easy peasy. But the second condition is very interesting. The portion of a line intercept between axes is divided by internally in the ratio of 5:3. કશું જ ના ખબર પડી સર. હા, ટેન્શન ના લેશો, હું તમને ગ્રાફિકલી પહેલા સમજાવી દઉં ક્વેશ્ચનને. First of all, consider this is y-axis and this one is x-axis. Our point is in second quadrant, so I should draw a second quadrant, and the line which is passing from this point, let's call it minus 4, L. Okay, so here we have minus 4 3 point, let's call it M point, and the section which is intercepted between axes, let's call this is your A having coordinates a comma 0 and B having coordinate 0 comma B. Okay, so this kind of scenario is described in the question. We have a line which is passing from minus 4 3 and it intercept between axis AB section. It is divided by point M in the ratio of 5:3, right? So let's use this data to get the coordinate of A and B. M is internally divide AB in the ratio of M is to N, right? So we can say x coordinate of the dividing point is equal to 5 bracket plus 3 bracket upon 5 plus 3. Now we have to put the x coordinate of the opposite end 0 and A over here. So we can say we will get A is equal to 32 by 3. Okay. Similarly, we have to calculate for the y coordinate. 3 is equal to ratio 5 bracket plus 3 bracket upon 5 plus 3. And here we have to put y coordinate of the B and y coordinate of the A. So here we will get B is equal to 24 by 5, right? So we get point A minus 32 by 3 and B point 0 comma 24 by 5, right? So we are ready to use intercept form of equation of line, right? So x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1, or we can say we have to put the value of a and b. X upon a is minus 32 by 3 and the value of b is 24 by 5 is equal to 1, right? If you simplify this, you will get 9x minus 20y plus 96 is equal to 0 as your final simplest form of equation of line. Ta-da! And the correct option is option C. So friends, here we are in the end of the video, but I must say your practice session is not over yet. Hope you enjoy, but still you have to practice for better grip. If you have any doubt or query or suggestion, feel free in the comment section box. So bye bye, take care and Jai Mataji.